Hello there, and welcome to Sydney PTE Institute's online portal. Congratulations on taking the first step on your PTE success journey. Now, depending on your target score, depending on where you're at, this journey could be of any length. But you've taken the first step, and I want to congratulate you for that. Before I go into the online portal, let me introduce myself. My name is Nitin Malik, and I'm the founder and director of Sydney PTE Institute and Right Choice Migration, an immigration consultancy firm based here in Sydney, Australia, for Australian immigration. Now, I have been a registered migration agent for about 11 years, but I have been into adult education for over 16 years now. And I want to share with you how the Sydney PTE Institute's idea came about. About 4 years ago, this whole Sydney PTE Institute concept was born. And I used to send my clients for PTE coaching. I would give them a target and I would send them across to various different PTE coaching centers here in Sydney. And they would come back disappointed, and I would be disappointed with their scores because we won't be able to proceed with their applications. The reason behind that was the quality of education at those institutes, the high numbers of students in each of the classes, and as a result of that, there was no attention being given to any individual in that particular institute. Now that was the trend right across all the institutes, and about 4 years ago, I came up with this concept of Sydney PTE Institute, where our main focus would be quality, where our only target would be results. Now, anyone and everyone who walks through our doors, there's only one target that my team and I have, and that is to get them their desired score. And we work really hard with each and every student of ours, and as a result of that, we've got thousands of success stories out there. There's hundreds and hundreds of students who walk in and they take their coaching and they get their desired score. The idea behind that is the individual attention, quality of education, ensuring that we are giving our students what they need and not what we think is right, but what they need. And basically the whole focus around quality has enabled us to deliver that. The online portal as well is exactly the same thing. It is based on the same principles, the same ethics of business, and we once again present an absolute quality piece of education, giving you exactly what you need to get your desired score. Now, as I said, the journey could be of any length, but once again, I want to congratulate you on taking this first right step towards educating yourself, towards finding those tips, tricks, and strategies on how to crack PTE test. Now, PTE, as you would be knowing, is a computer-based test and is very different as compared to any other test. It is an easier test as well, and I don't hold back saying this. However, once again, no matter what your target is, it doesn't mean that achieving that target would be easy. You must have a plan in place, and that plan should be around your daily routine and everything that you do throughout the day. Could be work, could be family, could be many other commitments. Just depends why you're taking PTE as well, and once again, making it a priority. Now, whatever you prioritize, you would be putting a plan in place for that. And I suggest you do exactly the same thing for PTE coaching as well. Make this one of your priorities across every single day. And I promise you'd be achieving your score by following our tips, tricks, and strategies, the tried strategies there, tested strategies. And once you start following them and put the practice in place, you would be able to achieve your score. Now let me introduce you to the online portal as well and what to expect from it. PTE, a computer-based test. There's no human intervention. There's only computer that would be checking and marking you on everything that you do throughout this particular test. And there's 4 modules in there, just like any other test. The language is made up of reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Those 4 modules are the 4 components of the test. But I always say this, that with PTE, it is not that it is just those 4 modules, but it is about what is in each of the modules, each of the activities that are there within each module, the task types that are there within each module. So there's altogether amongst the 4 modules, there's 20 task types, And in order to get your target score, you must master each one of those 20 task types. And that's what we do through this portal. We ensure that you master each one of those task types, each one of the 20 task types. So please remember, before you start your planning, before you start training yourself on the portal, that PTE is not about the 4 modules, it is about the 20 task types. I also want to share something with you, a bit of a myth that is out there, that has been out there for ages, that practice makes you perfect. Let me tell you that practice has not made anyone perfect. Practice doesn't make anybody perfect. It's only the perfect practice that will make you perfect. And through this portal, we will tell you what that perfect practice standard would be for each one of those 20 task types. So congratulations once again on taking the first step for your PTE success journey. I wish you good luck no matter what you're taking this test for, whether it is going to be for studies abroad, whether this is for migrating to a different country. It's exciting time, and I'm glad that me and my team are part of your journey there, and we wish you, all of us together, wish you success, great success in this journey. All the very best. Thank you very much once again for choosing Sydney PTE Institute for your PTE coaching needs, and congratulations on taking this first right step. Thank you.